to develop our mix of paid, owned and earned social media, we can keep in mind a very useful framework, which is excite, educate, experience and engage. So in our example for a sustainable fashion campaign, how do we excite users or potential customers? Well, we might launch a campaign called Fashion Revolution that will aim at raising awareness of the environmental and social impacts of fast fashion. We might kick it off with some attention-grabbing social media content or posts featuring bold graphics, compelling messaging, and inviting followers to join our page or our campaign. Then we will be educating our customers and users. So we'll provide a series of educational content, provide valuable information about the negative effects of fast fashion on the environment and on the workers. We might share some informative infographics, statistics, blog posts, so that we can highlight issues such as textile waste, carbon footprint, ethical production practices, and the benefits of choosing sustainable fashion alternatives. Then we will want to create this experience for our users and customers. So how do we create that first-hand experience for our participants? We might host even virtual showcase. We might invite our users to virtually explore some options from our collection, to learn about sustainable materials and production processes, to hear from our guest speakers, including some sustainability experts or fashion influencers. We might engage them in interactive workshops and virtual styling sessions so that they can learn how to incorporate fashion into their own wardrobe. And then last but not least, engage. So by doing all of these things, by exciting, educating and creating experiences, we want to engage our customer. So we are inviting them to take part in a variety of activities and initiatives and share them. For instance, on social media, we might provide them with a hashtag, Fashion Revolution, so that they can share, for instance, their photos of wearing sustainable clothing items. They might be encouraged to sign a petition. We might host a live Q&A and panel discussions where people can ask questions, share their thoughts, and connect with like-minded individuals. So once again, we are talking about excite, educate, experience and engage framework that helps companies employ social media to their advantage, to not only raise awareness of their products, but also somewhat to inspire customers and to make them engage with their content, so that then in the end, they also generate earned media and user-generated content.